If you're looking for a text-to-voice reader on the iPad or on the iPhone, it's already built in. All you're going to do is go down to Settings, and you're going to go down to the Accessibility section, which I already have highlighted right here. In the Accessibility, make sure not to use the voiceover. You want to use spoken content, which I have right next to Accessibility right now. When I click on spoken content, it's going to give me a few options. If I want to have it speak a selection, I'm going to turn that on. Now, very important is down at the bottom, I want to adjust the speaking rate to a rate that's going to work for me. Now, if I change it,
Speak selection, read selected content.
it's going to tell me exactly how it's going to sound when I have things read out. I found that
Speak selection, read selected content.
just under the midpoint is what really works for me.
Speak selection, read selected content.
Now, when I use this, what's going to happen is if I go to a website or something along those lines, if I highlight a specific section that I want to have read, it's now going to have the option to speak that selection. So if I click speak,
Cheetah, fastest mammal on land. The cheetah can reach speeds of 60 or perhaps even 70 miles. 97 or 100.
it's going to read at the rate that I asked for. Now also, right here in the middle, which is right next to the accessibility right now, I have the option to highlight the content, and I have that turned on. I can choose if I want words or sentences. I always like to go with words so I know exactly what's being read. Now your other option here is to speak the screen. If I turn on to have it speak the screen, I'm going to swipe with 2 fingers from the very top. Now when I swipe,
The cheetah's excellent eyesight helps it.
it's going to just speak whatever words are on the screen. Now it does give me the option for play, to go to the beginning, to go to the end. That option bar will move to the side as you just saw. If I need that again, I just click on the arrow and it will pop up to allow me to make changes. One of the pros of this is the fact that I can have the pause and the play available as I go. One thing to be aware of, though, with it is if I start at the beginning of a website,
Search. Shop. Cart asset 51. Family. Games. Videos. Animals. Explore. Search.
it's going to read absolutely everything that's on the screen. So if you're going to use this, you're probably going to want to move in. So here it would read View Slideshow. But if I move here, it's going to start with Cheetah moms have 4 to 6 cubs.